Unlock the full potential of your Sony A1 by ensuring it's always running the latest and greatest software. Keeping your Sony A1 firmware up to date is crucial for optimal performance. Introducing new features and fixing potential bugs today. We'll walk you through this essential process step by step. First, power your camera off and remove the battery and memory card now. Head over to your computer and navigate to the official Sony support website. Search for your camera model, the Alpha 1, and locate the firmware download section. Download the latest firmware file. Once the download is complete, you'll typically need to extract the compressed file. Make sure you know where this extracted file is saved on your computer. Next, insert a fully formatted memory card into your computer's card reader. Crucially, ensure this memory card is formatted in the camera itself before you begin this process, if possible. Now, copy the extracted firmware file directly onto the root directory of this memory card. Do not place it in any folders. With the firmware file safely on the memory card, it's time to load it into your A1. Power your camera off if it isn't already. Insert the memory card containing the firmware file into the appropriate slot. Then, reinsert the camera battery, ensuring it's fully charged. Now, power on your Sony A1 immediately after powering on. Access the camera's menu. Navigate to the Setup section, usually represented by a toolbox icon within the Setup menu. Look for the version or firmware update option. Select this option. Your camera will then scan the memory card. It should detect the new firmware. You'll be presented with a screen asking you to confirm the update. This is the most critical step. Ensure the firmware version displayed matches the one you downloaded. Double check everything before proceeding. Once you confirm, the firmware update process will begin. You will see a progress bar. Absolutely do not turn off the camera, remove the battery, or remove the memory card during this process. Doing so can permanently damage your camera. Wait patiently for the update to finish. Your camera will typically restart automatically once the firmware has been successfully installed. After the restart, you can re-enter the menu, go back to the version section, and confirm that the new firmware version is now displayed. Congratulations, you've successfully updated your Sony A1's firmware. Keep your camera ready for any future updates. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials.